I especially like the part where the space aliens sucked all those cows up into their spaceship and then switched brains with the cows so they could come back to Earth and infiltrate our society unnoticed.
Yeah, that was great.
What do you suppose that is?
I'm bored, Jerry. B-O-R-D, bored. Why did we want a Bird Science Lab? Because we wanted to see space aliens. And what have we seen in 2 long years? Huh? Nothing. Nothing. And
Jimmy?
watch the screen, they said. Keep your eyes on the screen. So we watched the screen for 2 years. And what do we see? Nothing.
Jimmy?
And then there's the light. If this light ever flashes, something from space is about to hit Bubbleberg. Alert Larry Boy immediately.
Jimmy?
Like that'll ever happen. I'm telling you, Jerry, this is the most boring job on Earth. Maybe we could get our old jobs back at Mr. Slushy. What? Master Laddie! Excuse me, Master Laddie!
Yes, Alfred? No time now, Alfred. Duty call.
I'm fallen and I can't get up.